What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is TJ. I'm here at Sharkey's Detailing and Tint in our brand new shop, and this week we got something special. We are going to be wrapping a refrigerator. All right, I'm only kidding, kind of. This week we got a Cybertruck. We're gonna be doing a full vinyl wrap on this. So we got it all washed already over here in our wash bay. Everything's been taken care of and dried. And let me show you the color that this client decided to go with. He is going for this really nice McLaren orange style color. This is from 3M. I believe it is just called regular gloss orange. And so we're going to be doing this on the full body. We are going to be doing ceramic coating on top of that. And then we also have some headlight tint for this light bar here to really black it out and make it match the windshield and the lower bumper a lot nicer. I'm a big fan of working on these cars. They kind of, as you know, they come as pretty much a blank canvas since they're all in stainless steel and there's no color options. The good side of that is you get to customize it however you'd like. So we're going to be doing this orange wrap on it. Currently Monday, it's about a 3-day turnaround, so we're going to keep you updated as we go along with the process. Now that it's washed, the first step is going to be disassembly, which thankfully on this car there is really not that much. The only things we're going to be doing is taking off these fender flares, the mirrors, and then the moldings right here for the windows. So all of that will come off so that we can do a nice job and get everything tucked over the edges. And that's pretty much all the disassembly we'll have to do. So I'm going to get that done. We're going to get started wrapping and we'll keep you updated with how it's going. All right, here's a quick little update. We got the front part of the car done. I'm doing this first because we are also going to be doing PPF over these two panels. So I'm going to knock out the PPF before I get moving on to wrapping the rest of the car. But here's how it's going. I'm going to show you the edges. So this car is pretty easy. Every panel is flat. But if you take a look at the edges, that's the only thing that takes time on this car. You're going to tuck it in, make sure you can't see any bunched up material or anything like that. It should be a nice clean edge. We could get a look at all these. Everything's going to be nice clean cuts. So we got the front part done. A lot of the other pieces are cut out and ready to go over here. And like I said, I'm going to be doing PPF on these two front panels first and then moving on to the rest of the wrap. So that's the update for now, and I'll get back with you when there's a majority of the car done. Sorry guys, I lied. It's 2 days later and the job is done. May or may not have forgot to do an update video until the job was about done and then just decided to finish it. So here is the finished result. I'm going to walk around the car and show you all the corners and edges because that is what makes a good job a great job. If the corners and edges don't look good, the whole car, it's not going to look good. So I'm going to give you a bunch of close-up shots to really see the quality of the work. Starting up front, as you can see, very clean cut coming around, no creases or wrinkles. Moving on to the back corner here, this is probably the hardest part. Not very hard still, but it is probably the hardest. We put an inlay right inside here and then wrap the outside edge straight over that. As you can see, no stainless steel showing. Even up here where it gets a little deeper, no stainless showing. Just got the wrap color, and here is this edge. Very, very nice. No creases, nothing like that. Everything tucked as it should be. Now going inside the doors, nice clean cut all the way down. Corner fully wrapped. Same on the bottom edge. All the way to the front. Corner wrapped as well. Same thing with all these other doors. We'll open this one up next. Make sure it stays open, doesn't close on my face. You can see, nice clean cut all the way down. Bottom edge, same deal, all the way wrapped around. And while we're back here, here's this edge. Everything is wrapped into this little crevice right here. You could actually see it a little bit at the very bottom, blocking the light. There you go, you can see everything is being wrapped into the edges. Now coming on the inside of the windshield, there is a rubber gasket, so this is as far as the wrap can go down. If we could focus again. So beyond that, it can't be wrapped because it's rubber, not metal. And lastly, we will open up the front. Take a look at these edges as well. Here we are on the sides, everything wrapped over, same with the corner. And then over to this side, everything wrapped over. Corner wrapped over. Entire length of it, everything gets wrapped over. Same deal down here at the bottom. Everything wrapped over, no creases, none of that. Make sure to do a good job, not a quick job. While we're in here, just a moment of appreciation for how clean these lines are. I mean, that's clean if I've ever seen it. So this job is now completed. As a reminder, here's the before photo, just regular stainless steel. And now we have this beautiful orange color. This is bright orange from 3M. And we also did PPF on the hood and the front bumper to make sure this wrap doesn't get chipped up at all. On top of that, we did ceramic coating on all the wrapped surfaces as well as the windshield, make cleaning the bugs off super easy. And overall, just make the maintenance super duper easy. Now, if you're looking to get a vinyl wrap, make sure, regardless of the shop you choose, maybe you're watching this and you live in Ohio or something, just check out the reviews, check out some other work they've done, even go in and see some of their work if you can, because the big difference in these vinyl wrap jobs is how they wrap the edges and do the corners. Because if the corners and everything look terrible, you are not going to be happy. So make sure you're thoroughly checking these shops to make sure they're going to do a good job beforehand. Now, this job is all done. It's going to be getting picked up tomorrow. It took us a total of 3 days to get everything completed, from disassembly to getting the wrap done, reassembly, and then ceramic coating and adding PPF on these front portions. Let us know what you think about this color in the comments below. And if you had a Cybertruck, what color would you be wrapping it? That's all I got for you guys for today. Thank you so much for watching as always, and we will look forward to seeing you in the next video.